Solution to the first exercise. Two ships leave harbor at the same time. They leave harbor at the same time. One is westbound, one is northbound. And at a particular instant of time, they're 125 miles apart. And the northbound ship traveled 15 miles more than 3 times what the westbound ship traveled. Now, let x be the distance that the westbound ship traveled, x right here. Then 2x, then 3x plus 15. Not 2x plus 20. 3x plus 15 is the distance traveled by the northbound ship. Yeah, I'm back at 3x plus 15. So by the Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus 3x plus 15 quantity squared is 125 squared. Get the squares, subtract from both sides, collect like terms, factor out the 5 and divide by 5, and then do a product sum. The product is 1 times negative 2,000, negative 1 times negative 2,925, and the sum is 20. The magic numbers are negative 45 and 65. Factoring, so splitting up the middle term, the 20x as negative 45x plus 65x, we get x minus 45 times x plus 65. Reject the negative number because the ship is not going backwards. So x is 45. The westbound ship traveled 45 miles. Now you stand at the edge of a pier that is 30 feet above the ocean. You throw a stone vertically up at 28 feet per second. The equation giving the height of the projectile t seconds after release is h of t, negative 16t squared, plus 28 feet per second times t, plus 30. How many seconds after release will the projectile hit the water? And will hit the water when the height is equal to 0. So factor out negative 2 and divide by negative 2. And then go through a product sum method. The magic numbers are 6 and negative 20. Tells you how to split up the middle term. Factor out 2t from the first 2 terms, a negative 5 from the last 2. And the factor, the product is 4t plus 3 times 2t minus 5, which is equal to 0. So t is either negative 3/4 of a, whatever the unit of time is, minute or hour, which is meaningless in the present context. So it took 5/2 seconds after you throw the stone up to hit the water.